Okay, so now we have our bevel square completely assembled. We're going to create a drawing from it. Okay, so we're going to go to File, New, Drawing, OK. You get a number of different options there, depending on whether you have clicked ISO or ANSI, American National Standards Institute, at the start when you set up SolidWorks the very first day. And I know some people have set up inches and so on. We just need to make sure we pick A3, so A3 whatever it is. Okay, now again, if there's any open document that's saved, it'll save in here. You guys should have saved your assembly now at this stage. I haven't, so I'm just going to go in here and click on Save As. I want to type in assembly of bevel square. Okay, now just a matter of interest, just for switch between say two open windows, I can just click on window up here and select all the open windows down through here. So I'm just going to select drawing, and that'll flick between the drawing again. Okay, so sorry, I'm just going to, when I click that it won't do the job. I'm going to start again. So File, New, Drawing, OK. Click on A3, click on OK. Now any open drawing that's saved is going to open up here in that blue, and the arrow to the right hand side is Next, so you can just click on Next, and we're going to drag it and drop it in there. So again, I have my bevel square done out in a number of different parts. Okay, so I'm going to click on the green tick. So I'm just going to basically do a top, right and a front, or an end elevation, a plan, and an elevation. Is that okay? Yeah, 1 second, I'm not finished yet. You click on the main drawing, okay, the elevation. You go up to Annotations and Model Items, and then you select the entire model, and you click on the green tick, and that should give us some dimensions of it. Now, you need at least 4 dimensions in each drawing. So maybe just go down here to the next one, click on the plan, and click on Model Items again, select the entire model, and then go add it again, and that should then bring it up. And then there's a bit of tidying there to be done. You can see that 1 mil chamfer needs to be tidied up. This 3 mil bit off the wall. Okay, 25 mil. Again, you can just click on the blue nodes and bring them up. Click on the blue nodes and bring them up, and that kind of takes it out of the piece itself. That 3 mil can go over here, and I can click on a node and bring it back, and click on the node and bring it back. Okay, so again, there's a bit of tidiness to be done there. Now the last thing I need to do is I'm going to put in 2 isometric views over here. So I'm going to go to View Layout and Model View. I'm going to click on Next, and instead of having clicked Front View, I'm going to go up here and click Isometric. Click on Isometric and click on it. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select Display Style. Instead of Hidden Edges Removed or Hidden Lines Removed, I'm going to select Shaded with Edges so I can see it in colour. Okay. Now that is that. That's the view. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to click on File, Save As. I'm going to call that Drawing of Bevel Square. Now I'm not finished yet. The reason not finished yet is I want to put in an exploded view. So I'm going to go back to my assembly, and I'm going to go and I want to put in an exploded view. So where is exploded view? It's in long things as I do. Exploded view. It's in the assembly toolbar, and click on exploded view. So what we need to do is we need to start thinking about how we assemble this so we can unassemble it. So let's go to isometric. So that's going to be in the same view that we're going to bring it into the computer. Let's click on the first part, and let's click on the direction that I want to explode it. Okay, and I'm going to explode it by 40 millimeters, 50 millimeters, doesn't matter to me, whatever it might be, say 50. Okay, so let's go with that. Okay, then I'm going to explode this one. I'm going to explode it slightly less than the previous one, so I'm going to explode it by about 50 millimeters. Click in the direction and add step. I'm going to explode this one. I'm going to explode it in that direction too, but I'm going to flip the side to direct it. I want to go out 50 millimeters the other side. Okay, and this one here, I'm going to go in the X view. I'm going to bring it up by maybe 30 millimeters. I'm going to add the step. And 30 doesn't do it at all. Maybe go 70, add step. You click on the thing itself, click in the direction, and add the step. And that's the exploded view. That shows all the different parts and how it goes together. So you can click on save, just make sure you have saved the exploded view. We don't want it to be an exploded view, so we're going to go up here, right click, and we're going to go down to collapse items. Sorry, not collapse items. Oh, this is new to me. Collapse, sorry, not collapse items, collapse there. And that'll collapse it. When I go in here to my drawing again, okay, I'm going to go to another model view. I want to click on, sorry, that's the open document, click on next. Down here, click on the isometric, but then goes down to, down here, show exploded state. There you are. Show an exploded state or multi-model state. Okay, and I want to click on that, and there is all my parts. Now I don't need to have it that size, so I can come down here to custom scale, and I want to change the 1 to 2. That's the exploded view. So that's my main view, and that's my exploded view, showing how all the parts go together. Okay, and then I can just save that. So we're going to create a drawing, add at least 4 dimensions, add an isometric with the shading, and then put in an exploded view which shows how all the parts are collapsed. Is that okay? Don't forget to save your part. Print, save. Okay, and I saved this as drawing of Bevel square. Okay, away you go.